Hey, welcome to our channel, my friends. If it's your first time here, please click that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get updates whenever we post new videos. On this channel, Reliance Guyana, we do all traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing an eggplant and potato, fried eggplant and potato recipe, or as we call it in Guyana, Bigan and potato recipe. And for this, we're going to be using 2 large eggplants, Bigan, one potato, about 3 stems of scallions, tomato, half an onion, some garlic, pepper, and of course salt to taste. And that's about all that we need for this yummy fried Baigan and potato. So let's get started, my friends. So we're now going to get our seasonings ready, beginning with our scallions. So as you can see the size that we are cutting our Baigan into, like this. Skin on, of course. So with this Baigan and potato, guys, you can also add shrimp or you can add chicken if you like. But we're just gonna make it just veggie. And this goes very nice with roti, either roti or rice. So we're using one big potato here, as you can see, guys. That's the biggest potato we got in the kitchen right now. I'll go ahead and into our Baigan. So this is a fast, simple dish, guys. As you'll see, simple, yummy Guyanese food. So these sizes here are okay. You don't have to cut them any smaller than that. So we're heating up our pan now. So we added some oil to our pan, guys. Okay, so our oil is hot, my friends, and we're gonna add our seasonings, tomato and onion, and the rest. So that's the garlic and pepper we pounded. And we're gonna put in the tomatoes after. tomatoes now. And we're gonna add our baigan and potato now. Some salt to taste. Some black pepper. So it's about 5 minutes now, my friends, so we're going to give this a turn. That's looking yummy, right? This is a nice hot roasting, go nice. What is it? Some pepper sauce on the side. So we can add a bit of water to help boil the potatoes. So that's good. We're gonna cover this back and let it cook again. Alright my friends, time for another turn of our baigan and potato. Oh yeah. That's looking good already. Ready for some roti. Alright my friends, so this just needs about a couple minutes more until some of the water evaporates some more. Our potatoes are boiled, as you can see there. Yeah, so just a couple minutes more and this will be done. Alright guys, so that's it. Our fried baigan and potato is done, ready. As you can see, it's looking delicious. I'm gonna go have some of this very soon. So that's it for this recipe guys. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.